It is not possible to complete the x-axis until we take into consideration the next axis. The problem is that although we have fixed the distance between the two slides, the distance between the trucks within each slide remains in flux. In order to set this in stone, we need to look into the next axis. That would be the Z axis. I could have built a Z axis from scratch, but decided to cheat a little by using an existing linear actuator. For this part of the project, I will be repurposing an IAI linear actuator I acquired on eBay a very long time ago. It is a little bulky, but I think it will do marvelously fine. However, and as it is, this unit contains a few headaches I will need to Tylenolyze out of it before I can move on. The first is that these modules are usually implemented around a servo motor. In other words, a brushed DC motor with a shaft encoder. This is not going to work for us at all, as what we truly want to use here is a bipolar stepper motor. The second aspect we will need to fix is that this module contains the motor on its side, but I would rather have it pointing backwards. This will make the Z-axis symmetric to the X-axis. Or is it the Y-axis? Let's say it will be way better for our machine to have the NEMA 23 stepper facing back as opposed to on one of the Z-axis body sides. For this purpose, a plate was devised which allowed the stepper motor to be positioned backwards. Of course, the existing plate was used to measure the bejesus out of every feature, and then the concept part drawn in CAD before it was machined out of aluminum. Except that once again, I decided to cheat a little bit. Since I make so many mistakes, I decided to prototype this on wood first by laser cutting it out of 1/4-inch plywood. By pure chance, I got it right the first time, so it was ready for the press. Yes, I know I was a little lazy with this axis, but hey, here you have it. A complete Z-axis ready to be positioned within the X-axis linear actuator. The distance is fixed, so we can get busy with an interface plate to merge both of them together. This I will present on my next video, so as always, thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.